cross fading allows you to seamlessly blend two audio tracks together, creating a smooth transition between them. So to achieve this, I'm gonna just just record this simple audio for testing. Now we have here, we're gonna go in multi-track, and then here we have we can drag and drop this one, and now I'm just gonna simply move this here. Now we have two, and now we created the crossfade. Very simple. Now of course I can click on this one and move here, and then I can move here. And now how can we create this? Well, if you actually move them between them, you create the crossfade effect in Audition. And make sure you use this because this can really make your audio production sounds more professional, I would say, and really eliminates what it's called in English, abrupt changes in your transitions between audio clips. So yeah, I really encourage you using this effect. I hope you found this helpful. I hope this short tutorial saves you time and you'll learn something. Make sure you subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.